Next, Keepa trends. Let's go
Mm-hmm.
to Keepa trends, and the Keepa trends actually works in. You can read this how it works. We have blog post, and also
Mm-hmm.
Keepa trends work in product detail page. So we open. Maybe I can open another product, not the same. Okay, this one.
Mm-hmm.
Then how we can use it. Oh,
Mm-hmm.
this when we come to product detail page, we are gonna see different Chrome extensions from SellerSprite, and you see here we have Keepa trends. Just
Mm-hmm.
come here and click it. Then we are gonna see product history. We pull everything from Keepa. We can see they have coupon or not, prime price change or not, who was the buy box owner, how many reviews they gained. Maybe here they drop some reviews. Maybe they split some ASINs, like if they have variation, yeah, variation, split it, then they bring it together. Keep a analyze product, everything since they launched, and
Mm-hmm.
we get this data from Keepa.
Mm-hmm.
So you can understand product 1 month history, 3 months history, 6 months history, or all the time.
Mm-hmm.
About the product history, you can understand almost everything. Like BSR changed, review manipulation happened,
Mm-hmm.
price changed. For example, this product price seems. Sometimes they are like maybe someone is coming to listing to at the buybacks 199, but normally it's 149. Um, but we need to analyze product history, what's happening and what's changing, how it affects, between price and the BSR. There is direct correlation.
Mm-hmm.
Most of the time, when we increase the price, we are gonna drop the sales, and it ultimately affects our BSR ranking. And this a Keepa trend track everything. You can check out how it's affected, what happened to product. Maybe sometimes they got out of stock, and how it affected the sales ranking, and after coming back in stock, how it helped, how quickly they gain velocity, restore back the previous sales. You can check it. It's totally free. But furthermore, we covered with VOA before. There is
Mm-hmm.
also AI Insight. I'm sorry for that. It's paid, but if you click AI Insights, it's gonna analyze everything about the product history since it launched, and they give you everything like when they launched, 1 month later after launching, how was the price, how was the sales, how was the reviews, and 5 months later, how many reviews they got, how many promotions they got, did they have Prime Day or another crazy discounted price, and how it affected the sales, how the sales affected the BSR ranking,
Mm-hmm.
how everything combined, and they show you. But you need to get the Seller Sprite to utilize it, AI Insight. If you want a
Mm-hmm.
free, just you can use all the Keepa, this data from Seller Sprite. Meanwhile, if you go to, you can buy this data from Keepa, you need to pay. But if you use from SellerSprite, you don't need to pay anything. You can use it for free.